This is little Billy. Billy. Hello, Billy. My new pet cockatiel to keep me happy and company. He's got sort of a greyish pattern on his wings, and he's white. And you, Billy? Ah, he's gone camera shy, look. Billy. Say hello. Oh, he's gone camera shy. Are you camera shy, Billy? Hello. He shakes his head every time. Every time I whistle or speak, I think he's getting used to me. Right, so Mary will probably be whistling, especially in the morning. There you go. Look at the camera. Hello. Hello, Billy. Daddy loves you. Who's a pretty boy then? Who's a pretty boy then? Yeah, you are. Pretty good. Who's a pretty boy then?